Hey guys, it's Garrett from Parts View, back with another video from our Basics of Boating series. Today we're going to go over a GPS unit. So first things first, a GPS is always going to show your boat's position in relation to the body of water you're on. This is great, especially if you're in an unknown area, or if you want to figure out how to get back to the port that you've launched from. A GPS makes it a lot easier than trying to look around at landmarks to figure out where you are. If your vessel is equipped with autopilot, a GPS is mandatory to make sure it can safely navigate. Now, some GPS units will allow you to record your trails throughout the day so you can see where your boat has been in the course of a day. Also, like on my Hummingbird here, I have a heading sensor where I can see where my boat is actually physically pointing. You'll see underwater obstructions on here, navigational markers, all that good stuff to keep you safe on the water and allow you to navigate. Now, when looking at a GPS, the first thing to think about is the orientation. And what I mean by that is how the map is displayed. So in this instance, we have north up, which is where north is up, south is on the bottom, east and west respectively. So you can also choose course up, which is the direction that the boat is moving is at the top of the screen. This is helpful in areas that may be hard to navigate with lots of twists and turns. Another orientation is head up, where the direction that the boat is physically pointed is at the top of the screen. Now going from there, other features of the GPS are going to be speed over ground, which is, of course, how fast you are traveling. Your course over ground, which is the degree that the boat is currently pointed at or traveling at. A cool feature some GPS units have is called an anchor alarm, where you'll set a geofence area on your unit, and if your boat happens to swing outside of there, an alarm will go off, letting you know that your anchor is slipping. A feature a lot of GPSs offer is what's called setting a waypoint or a marker. And this can be beneficial for many things. One may be a fishing spot. If you find an area you'd like to return to, you can set a waypoint. And then when you come back for the next day, you're able to return to that exact same spot. Also, in the instance of there being a man overboard, to quickly drop a marker is imperative to help in a search and rescue mission. A GPS is also super useful if you're planning a trip. You can go through, look ahead, see which route you're going to want to take while you're out on the water. Also, it's great for saving stuff such as fishing spots, where you can set waypoints and then you can come back at a later time and make sure you're on that exact same spot again. Showing track lines is another great feature that GPSs have. One, this shows you where you've been on your day in the water. Also, it helps when returning to port to see where you came from. Sometimes it can be confusing when you're on an unknown body of water, but track lines will always get you back to your starting point. All right, guys, those are some of the basics of a marine GPS unit. Hope this helps you the next time you're on the water. As always, make sure you subscribe to Parts View's YouTube channel and be on the lookout for the next video.